Hello students, today I am going to explain you aquatic plants. Okay, the topic is the aquatic plants. As you know that aquatic plants means the plants which grow in water. Okay, so the plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants, and the examples are lotus, water lily. These are the aquatic plants. And aquatic plants are aqua means first of all very important to know you that aqua, that means water, and aquatic means existing or happening in water. Okay, so aquatic, that means existing or happening in water, and meaning of aqua, that means water. As you know that aqua guard, that means which gives the machine which gives us pure water. Okay, that is aqua guard. Now come to the aquatic plants. See that aquatic plants are divided into mainly two categories. Number one is the floating aquatic plant, and the second one is the underwater plant. Okay, so now come to the floating aquatic plant. See this floating aquatic plant. In this you will see that there are two types of floating aquatic plant. Number one is the free floating plants, and second one is the fixed aquatic plant. So as the name free, that means which are freely float, which freely floats on water. Okay, so this plant is called what? Free floating plant. And what are the examples of the free floating plant? They are water lettuce, duckweed. Okay, these are the free floating plants. Now come to the second category, that is fixed aquatic plant. So as the name fixed, that means these plants are attached to the pond bed. Okay, so they are called fixed aquatic plants, and the examples are lotus, water lily. They are fixed or attached to the pond of the bed of the pond. Okay, now see, one very important thing is that kamal kakdi. Okay, now you will ask, ma'am, what is kamal kakdi? Kamal kakdi is the stem of the lotus, and that is used as vegetable. Okay, now this is all about the all about the floating aquatic plants. And number one is the free floating plants, and second is the fixed aquatic plants. Okay, now move to the second category of the aquatic plant, that is the underwater plant. Okay, now underwater, as the name underwater, that means the plants that grow underwater. And the example is the hydrilla. This is very important plant, hydrilla, Hydrilla. And this hydrilla is the example of the underwater plant, and it has pointed and strap like leaves. Okay, so these are the types of the aquatic plants. Okay, now come to the see the diagram. What is your homework? You will draw aquatic plants. Okay, two aquatic plants. So you can draw by seeing this diagram of the book. Okay, now watch a video. I will show you video, and you will enjoy this video. So watch this. Stop this. Okay, Now watch this video. Very short video is this. See, enjoy it.
Golu, here's a nice plant for your fish tank. I hope you like it.
Wait, Jiggy. That plant won't be able to breathe or grow in water. Why don't you get an aquatic plant?
What's an aquatic plant?
An aquatic plant is a plant that grows in water. The plants around us grow on land. They are terrestrial plants. The place where a plant grows is called its habitat. Plants change themselves or adapt to survive in their habitats.
How do you think aquatic plants adapt to their surroundings? Click each button to learn more. The roots of lotus and water lilies are fixed in the soil at the bottom. Lotus leaves are waxy and waterproof. The flat, wide, waxy leaves and long hollow stalks help the leaves float on the pond's surface. Water hyacinth Water hyacinth, duckweed, and water lettuce are very light and spongy. Their roots are not fixed in the soil, so the entire plant floats on the surface of the water. Terrestrial plants Terrestrial plants in different climates also adapt themselves to their surroundings. Click each region to see the type of plants that grow in that climate.
Okay.
The sticky, clay marsh soil may
Okay. Now desert. See the desert plant.
Do you know how plants like cactus and prickly pear have adapted themselves to the dry and sandy desert soil? Cacti and prickly pear have spiny leaves that help save water. The green fleshy stems store water and make food for the plant.
Now marshes, you have seen this. Now
The sticky, clay marsh soil makes it difficult for roots of plants to get air. Mangroves have special breathing roots that grow above the soil to take in air. They can also grow in salty water where other plants would die. Do you know how plants like cactus and prickly pear have adapted themselves to the dry and sandy desert soil? Cacti and prickly pear have spiny leaves that help save water. The green fleshy stems store water.
okay. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So in that video you have seen the aquatic plants and some plants of the marshy areas and desert. Okay, and rest I will show you in the next class,
which is cultivation.
okay. And tomorrow I will explain the topic that is the cultivation of the plant, and I will also show you the video of the plants of the plains. Okay, so you will see all that videos, and you will draw today's homework is the you will draw two aquatic plants. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.